Hey guys, welcome to the end of the week. Congratulations. Actually, this is Thursday, if you're doing this in order correctly. But what I wanted you to do Thursday and Friday is the same as last week, which is just to present your poem and present the visual representation, and you are good to go. I'm going to show you the rubric again. It's the same rubric as last week, so you should already be familiar with it. Here we go. Okay. Uh, First of all, let's look here. Of course, this is going to be too much work. Okay, here we go. Sup, fam? Good one, right? Okay. So, Villanelle days 4 and 5. Today and tomorrow, much like last week, I want you to present your poem on Flipgrid. After you have finished recording your video, you should watch another student's poem and respond to them, giving them meaningful and constructive feedback based on the rubric that you already have. Okay? You need to make sure your Villanelle meets the criteria of a Villanelle. Does it have 19 lines? Unless you had a modified assignment. If you had a modified assignment, it should have 10 lines. But does it have 19 lines? Does it have 5 3-line stanzas and 1 4-line stanza? Does it have the right rhyme scheme? Do the first and third lines repeat in the poem? Do you have a visual representation to go along with your poem? If you need help, there is a rubric on your assignment sheet. You can reach me by email, Jupiter, or text message. I'm also going to begin designating weekly helper students who can help with different things throughout the week. I'll give you those names starting next week. So starting next week, I'm going to pick a couple of kids that if I'm not responding or if it's late or whatever, and you want to reach out to somebody other than me, I'm going to give you a couple of names of kids that I think would be able to help you. Okay, I'm going to show you what the rubric looks like just to go through it again. Okay, zoom in. All right, same thing. Poetry unit day 4 and 5, Flipgrid presentation and peer response. Pull up your Villanelle and read it aloud. These are the criteria. Are you speaking loudly? Okay. Is your poem accurate? Does it represent what a Villanelle should look like? Your visual representation, what does it look like? Does it look like you just threw it together or did you spend some time on it? And your explanation of the visual representation and how it goes along with your poem. Okay, pick up here, watch their Flipgrid presentation, and thoughtfully respond, giving constructive feedback based on the rubric. This is 5 points. All right. This is pretty self-explanatory. If you did it last week, you already know how to do it. I just want to get us sort of in the routine because the next few weeks we're going to be doing the same thing over and over again. So we're just using different forms of poetry as we go along. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email, text message, or Jupiter message, okay? Love you so much, and I will talk to you soon. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy.